Starting off with the shade Burnt Orange in my Modern Renaissance palette, using this as my transition color. Now I'm in my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, taking that deep purple, focusing this color in my crease. Now I'm going in the shade Vienna Red in the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm actually going to put this color on top of the purple. And I'm going to slowly blend this all the way up to my transition shade. Now I'm just going to make sure everything is blended out. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 with an angle brush, and I'm just going to do a cut crease. So now I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm just going to pat that concealer in. And then I'm going to go in my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, taking that pink shade with a BH Cosmetics flat brush, and I'm just going to put that over my lid. So now I'm going to be taking that black and that deep purple, and I'm just going to focus this on my outer corner. Now I'm going to be taking NYX Roll-On Shimmer. This color is in pink, and I'm just going to pat this over the pink just to give me a light shimmer to it. Then I'm going to be taking my NYX Black Liquid Liner, and I will be doing this off camera, but I am just taking my angle brush, just cleaning the outer portion, just so that way it's nice and clean. For the primer, I'm going to be using Cover FX. I'm just going to apply this over my face. Now I'm going in my Fenty Beauty, which I love so much, and this is in the shade 310, and I'm just going to apply this over my face using my Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend this all over. And you guys, I love how matte this foundation gets. It looks just like your actual skin. Only thing that I will say is that it does dry really, really fast, so you have to blend quickly. So for concealer, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20, and I'm going to be using that same foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend this in. Now I'm going in with my NYX No Filter in the shade Deep Golden, and I'm just going to take an angled brush and I'm just going to go ahead and contour. Now I'm going back in with that deep purple, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this up under my waterline. I did use my Flower Beauty in the shade Galaxy eyeliner, and I went ahead and put that on my waterline. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty in Hustler Baby, one of my favorite highlighters of all times. Just look at me glow. But this is an amazing highlighter, you guys. So now I'm going in with my MAC lip liner in the shade Heroin, and I'm just going to pretty much outline my lips. Once I do that, I'm going to blend it in with my finger and top it off with the Rihanna lip gloss. And this completes the Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below. Bye, you guys.